Hey, it's Josh. Just something that keeps coming up in class. Just want to address it. It has to do with leading with your interpretation of the scene or any piece of text versus honoring what's happening in the moment and creating from exactly where you are. From my point of view, people want to see you. They want to see you first. They want to see you alive with whatever is happening with you in that moment. And if you start there, whatever piece of text you're working on will come to life. So my suggestion is to trust that your interpretation of the material is in you, but you don't have to present it. You don't have to show it. It will come out. It's not going to vanish if you just create spontaneously in the moment. Hope that's helpful.